Hello guys and welcome to best memes I found on TikTok. I upload every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Like and subscribe now. Enjoy the video.
This ain't me against the world hurt.
I don't know.
You don't know. You know why you don't know? Because you don't think. That's why. You don't think. You never figured out how to think. I said I was sorry, alright?
Sin City was a maybe.
How long is this going to take? Bursting with flavor. I'm just dropping in to check on you. How y'all doing? Good? Hey, yeah, you are. Me, well, I'm doing all right given my current situation, but fuck.
Do you know? I can't remember.
What did I do?
Just go to the office.
What did I do?
Go, just go.
What?
You were laughing through a lot of the show.
You know, I have this weird disorder where when I find something funny, I laugh.
You laugh at it.
Mr. Bombastic, Bomba Fantastic.
I'm thinking maybe you and I could partner up.
What are these? Call them popcorners.
Say their name.
Watch where you walking, bitch.
What did you... Wait a minute. I'm white.
Where you going? Don't you ignore me. This is a perfectly good moment to throw your life away.
Here comes a hot step, 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 word up.
369 girls wanna drink wine. Tell the man not to waste your time. If the man broke, the man he a joke. So you gotta get loose with the Henny and the Coke.
Dude, where the fuck are we?
You were a clock that was ticking in my heart. Changed my state of mind. Love so hard to find.
I ain't
afraid to say, yeah, I love these hoes. In their glasses, and their jacket, and their hipster clothes. Yes, I'm always on tour, what you mad at that for? I'm
What?
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science.
I'm one of them niggas when I get them called a reverend.
Hot diggity dog! This place is magnificent.
Tonight the music seems so loud.
I'm tired, boss.
What is that melody? Told you wouldn't leave me alone. Where you come up?
Maybe I even stand up and hit a little boogie with it. Oh, what's that? The SpongeBob? Huh?
Cam, I'm going to street, bro.
Damn!
You got the framing right?
Gotcha, bro.
Alright.
Last
framing
words?
good? Love you, boys.
See ya.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. See ya.
No need to shout. No need to yell. No need to have a riot. Shut your eyes. Take a deep breath. Oh, you've gone all quiet.
Hey, please, don't go. Oh, open me. Good, keep it going. Cause it's Good Friday.
All this time, you were lying about this? I mean, so you're saying you're a liar?
I could have left a fucking bomb in there. Do you want to know why I didn't?
'Cause you're
You need people like me.
Lady, whatever you're selling, I ain't buying, yo.
Well, my name is Skylar White, yo. My husband is Walter White, yo.
I'm drunk now. I'll make that deal. How about you bitch? You make that deal?
I'd make that deal.
I don't blame you. Damn good deal.
Hey, yo, my life's like a movie, my eyes are like a Uzi, jacuzzi. Get the fuck out of the way.
Sick on my money, cause every time he calls me, steady incarcerated in my left, right pocket, watch.
They're like animals. And I slaughtered them like animals. I hate them.
I'm riding around town with a ratchet bitch. She said, cutting you back on your ratchet shit. I'm right down Mr. Pettit from Elliot. Show me something that Cuddy not better than. If a nigga keep talking, we running in. Get in.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and have a good day.